Hey everyone, and welcome to Great North Gardener. Today, we're talking about 8 amazing herbs you can easily grow in your kitchen all year round. Fresh herbs whenever you want. Whether you're a pro cook or just starting, get ready to make your food taste even better. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with basil. This aromatic herb is a staple in many kitchens around the world, especially in Italian cuisine. Its vibrant green leaves and distinctive aroma make it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. This herb is super easy to grow. Whether you have a spacious garden or just a small pot on your windowsill, basil can thrive with minimal effort. All it needs is some sunlight, water, and a bit of love. Even if you're not good with plants, basil will probably still do great. It's quite forgiving and resilient, making it perfect for beginners. Just ensure it gets enough light and doesn't sit in waterlogged soil. It's the best ingredient for adding a burst of fresh flavor to anything. From salads to soups and even drinks, basil can elevate the taste of your dishes. Its fresh, peppery flavor with a hint of sweetness is unmatched. And when it comes to Italian food, basil is a must-have. Think of classic dishes like margherita pizza, pesto pasta, and bruschetta. They all owe their deliciousness to this incredible herb. Imagine fresh basil leaves in your pasta sauce or a caprese salad, boom. Flavor explosion. The combination of basil with tomatoes and mozzarella is simply divine. Once you grow your own basil, you'll never buy it from the store again. The satisfaction of picking fresh leaves right when you need them is unparalleled. Plus, homegrown basil is often more flavorful and aromatic than store-bought varieties. Next, we've got mint. If you like fresh and exciting flavors, mint is your new best friend. Imagine picking mint leaves for a homemade mojito on a hot day. Mint isn't just for drinks, it's awesome in desserts too. Try adding fresh mint to fruit salads. It's amazing with watermelon, strawberries, and pineapple. Trust me, you'll love it. Now let's talk about parsley. This humble herb is often overlooked, but it has so much to offer beyond just being a garnish. It's often just used as a garnish, but parsley is full of vitamins and good stuff. Did you know that parsley is actually a powerhouse of nutrients? It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and it's also a great source of iron and folate. Its bright, fresh flavor is perfect for balancing rich dishes or adding freshness to soups. Whether you're making a hearty stew or a light salad, parsley can elevate the flavors and add a burst of color to your dishes. Parsley is packed with vitamins K and C, and it's good for you too. Vitamin K is essential for bone health and blood clotting, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. It makes your food taste great and is healthy. Plus, parsley has been known to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help with digestion. So next time you see parsley on your plate, remember it's not just for decoration. Parsley is super easy to grow inside, just give it some sun and water. You can have a fresh supply of this versatile herb right in your kitchen. It's perfect for those who love to cook and want to add a touch of freshness to their meals. Let's move on to chives, the cool cousin of the onion. Chives have a milder onion taste, perfect for lots of dishes. Imagine sprinkling fresh chives on creamy mashed potatoes, instant fancy food. A sprinkle of chives adds color and a little onion flavor to salads. Try adding chopped chives to your next omelette. Trust me, you'll love it. Chives are easy to grow and great to have in your kitchen. Okay everyone, let's talk about thyme. This tough herb grows in almost any condition, and it's okay if you forget to water it sometimes. Thyme has a warm, earthy taste. Think hearty stews, roasted veggies, or a perfectly cooked steak. Thyme is amazing with lemon. Try it with roast chicken. Earthy thyme and bright lemon is a match made in heaven. You won't regret adding thyme to your herb garden. Get ready for a flavor trip to the Mediterranean with oregano. This bold herb adds a punch of flavor to anything. Imagine adding dried oregano to homemade pizza sauce. It's like being in Italy. Oregano is great in Greek salads and yogurt dips. Its strong flavor is perfect for tomatoes, cucumbers, and feta cheese. Oregano is a must-have. Next, we've got rosemary, the herb with that amazing woody smell. Just walking by a rosemary plant smells incredible. Rosemary brings a unique, earthy flavor to savory dishes like roast chicken. It also adds a surprising twist to sweet treats like rosemary shortbread cookies. There's so much you can do with rosemary. Last but not least, we've got cilantro, known for its unique citrusy flavor. This herb is often a topic of debate. Some people absolutely love it, while others can't stand it. But for those who enjoy it, cilantro can elevate a dish to new heights. Its bright, fresh taste adds a burst of flavor that can transform even the simplest of meals into something extraordinary. Cilantro can be a bit different, but if you like it, it makes food taste so much better. It's not just a garnish, it's an essential ingredient in many cuisines around the world. From Mexican salsas to Indian chutneys, cilantro brings a unique zest that is hard to replicate with any other herb. Imagine hot tacos with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Amazing! The herb's citrusy notes perfectly complement the rich, savory flavors of the meat and the tanginess of the salsa. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Cilantro is great in Mexican and Southeast Asian food. In Mexican cuisine, it's a staple in dishes like guacamole, pico de gallo, and ceviche. In Southeast Asian cuisine, it's often used in salads, soups, and curries, adding a fresh, vibrant touch to the dishes. Think Vietnamese pho with its fragrant broth and fresh cilantro. The herb's bright flavor cuts through the richness of the broth, adding a refreshing contrast that makes each spoonful a delight. Or a spicy Thai green curry with creamy coconut milk and cilantro on top. The cilantro adds a fresh herbal note that balances the heat of the curry and the richness of the coconut milk, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Cilantro is a flavor explosion you don't want to miss. Whether you're a fan or a skeptic, give it a try in different dishes and see how it can transform your culinary experience. From garnishing your favorite meals to being a star ingredient, cilantro is truly versatile and worth exploring. So there you have it, 8 incredible herbs you can easily grow in your kitchen all year. Fresh herbs add so much flavor to your cooking. Let me know your favorite herbs in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!